What's good, YouTube? My name is King Infinity, and if you've never seen my face before, please consider subscribing and turn on those post notifications. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a 2-strand twist. Disclaimer, I'm not a hair guru, and I've just recently learned how to do this on myself. So, I decided to share this knowledge. Some things that you will need are a rat tail comb, some leave-in conditioner. In my case, I'm using 2. I have Cream of Nature's Argan Oil leave-in conditioner and As I Am leave-in conditioner. Also, you might need a curling cream. In this case, I have As I Am Twist Defining Cream. The leave-in conditioner is to moisturize your hair, and the cream is to lock in the moisture while your hair is in a twist. And twists are, in fact, a protective style. They help your hair grow, and they help your hair be protected against damage. So, I washed my hair last night, and I washed my hair last night and I didn't really feel like doing anything to it, so I just put a do-rag on and went to sleep. Now I'm going to detangle it, and I did add some products to my hair last night, but I'm going to add some more while I'm doing the twists. Yo, it's the voiceover king here, and what you see me doing is I've separated my hair, and now I'm going to add some water into my hair, because you never really want to add products into your hair while your hair is dry. Next thing I did was part my hair into 3 sections, and I know my parts are not straight. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I just learned how to do all this stuff, so please bear with me. I'm adding water into the back section to saturate it even more, and then I'm going to add some of the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. After that, I'm going to add in some As I Am leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to part my hair into another subsection for me to start twisting. Again, I know my part is not straight. Don't roast me in the comments. Now I'm going to take a small part of the section I just parted, and I'm going to start twisting from there. I'm going to use my detangling brush to detangle this part of the hair, and I'm going to add some of the twist defining cream from the root to the ends. I'm using the rat tail comb to detangle my hair even further and to spread out the cream evenly through my hair. Now I'm going to eyeball where I think the hair is going to be even, and then I'm going to separate it and start the twist from there. What you want to do is you want to put one part of the twist over the other one, and then you keep going from there. So it's an over-under motion. Over, under, over, under. And a tip that I learned is that you could twist the strands while you're twisting it. What you see me doing here is using the comb to detangle the ends of the hair because it gets frizzy, and detangling it is going to help me get a better grip. This is what it looks like when you're done. Keep in mind that your twist is going to shrink because your hair is saturated, and now I'm going to repeat the process on my entire head. You want to take your time when you're doing these things so you don't make mistakes like I did. This is what that last row looked like, and I know it doesn't look right, but like I said, I am learning. I parted this section better, and this is what the back looked like after I was done. For this last twist in the front, I wanted to show you guys a close-up of what I was doing. Basically, again, I'm separating the little section into two parts and then twisting it over each other. And while I'm twisting them over each other, I'm twisting the individual strands. Alright, so here's the finished product, and like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm not a hair guru and I just recently learned how to do my own hair in 2-strand twists. So here's the final product. Please don't roast me in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and be sure to follow me on my Instagram at king_infinity_. With all that being said, I've been your boy King Infinity, and I'm signing off on the fence.